Si Mama, she's a very strong woman, but at the same time, she's a very strict mom.
Nakatingin lang siya sa akin, hindi ako makatingin sa kanya.
Bakit?
Wala, she's staring at me. It's been a while since nagka-eye-to-eye contact kami.
Are you ready for it?
Questions inside, hindi food. And it's gonna be related to
To what?
a special guest that we have today.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh, wait lang.
This is your chance to actually talk to her.
Okay.
It's been a while since you last
Yeah, it's been a while.
Unang araw pa lang ni Ashley sa loob ng bahay ay naibahagi na niya kay Ivana ang kasalukuyang sitwasyon nila ng kanyang ina.
Wala naman kasama si Mama dati. Pero ngayon, galit siya sa akin. Hindi na ako. Kasi umalis talaga. So until now, wala pa.
Yan mo, make her proud.
Yun na nga eh. Bakit ito pa kami magkaayos?
Sabi nila, kamukha ko si Mama. She's a very strong woman, but at the same time, she's a very strict mom.
Nakatingin lang siya sa akin, hindi ako makatingin sa kanya.
Bakit?
Wala, she's staring at me. It's been a while since nagka-eye-to-eye contact kami.
Si Mama po yung lagi kong kasama sa taping, and I was close to her, kuya, pero as I get older, parang medyo dun na lagi yung konting arguments. Doon na nagkakaroon ng mga misunderstandings. Yung pinaka naging problem ko lang is maybe having my own space, privacy as well.
When was the last time you actually spoke to her?
December 31, 2022, yung last ko siyang nakita. So last time I saw her face, actually.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Well, this is your chance to kind of talk to her. So, Ash, bon appetit. This is your appetizer.
Okay. Oh. Ay, may appetizer.
Read the first question out loud.
Tingin mo ba nagkamali ka nung umalis ka sa bahay?
Your mom.
Honestly, Ma, I think yung mali sa ginawa ko is I left you guys without saying anything. I thought about it for years, even though okay tayo, even though okay yung relationship natin, I would ask myself if I would leave the house, and my answer has always been yes. So yun, hindi na ako nakapagpaalam. Second question is, sa palagay mo ba namimiss kita? I don't know. What I feel like is hindi mo pa rin tanggap lahat ng nangyari. So, I don't know. I honestly don't know if you miss me or not, and I don't want to expect that you miss me. Sana, from time to time, you would think that I'm okay. I'm sure naman ang na-prove ko sa inyo is that I can handle things on my own, that I've been independent. But I do miss you. I miss Lola so much. That day, nung naglayas ako, when I decided to leave, kay Lola lang ako nagpaalam. Sabi ko, Lola, alis na ako. Kailangan kong gawin. So, that's when I left. And my mom never knew that I was leaving that day.
That's just an appetizer. Sorry.
Gaano kalaking sakit ang naidulot ko sa'yo? Lagi naman niya sinasabi na it's what's best for me, it's what's best for me. But sometimes I would question if that's what's best for me, then why do I want to leave already? Why do I feel this way? Sobrang sakit, mga to the point na I left because hindi ko na kaya talaga. And I know I caused you so much pain when I left kasi alam kong binuhos mo rin yung mundo mo sa akin.
I appreciate you for that. I just wanted to leave because ayoko yung habang buhay may hatred ako sa mom ko. Ayoko lumaki yung hatred ko sa'yo, Ma. That's why I just choose to leave, to distance myself, to give space for myself and for you also so that you can focus on yourself first. I am grateful na binigay mo sa akin lahat ng oras mo. You're the reason why I'm a figure skater. You're the reason why I'm a good actress. You've been there. I think the main problem of our relationship also is we don't really communicate with our emotions properly. Puro galit na lang ang nararamdaman. Okay, dami. Sa tingin mo ba may pag-asa pang magkaroon ng pagpapatawad sa pagitan nating dalawa?
Dessert time.
Sa kabila ng lahat ng away at hindi pagkakaintindihan natin, may bagay ba akong nagawa na ipinagpapasalamat mo? I think you know naman na I'm grateful for a lot of things. I'm thankful for you were just beside me all the time. Binabantayan mo ako. Thank you din sa lahat ng mga emotions na pinaramdam mo sa akin, the good and the bad. Because if it weren't for that, wala akong malalim na hugot sa buhay. Sa tingin mo ba may pag-asa pang magkaroon ng pagpapatawad sa pagitan nating dalawa? Of course, Ma. I'm just waiting for you. If you're not ready, go, take your time. Take your time, Ma, because ako okay na ako.
Did you try asking for forgiveness first?
I texted her. I just hope I'll have a chance to be okay with her again. Especially, like, of course I want to visit Lola.
Yeah.
I know it's your birthday in a few days right now. Happy birthday. I hope all your wishes will come true. Whatever happened in the past. I hope we can just forget about it and just move on and find peace in our hearts. That's it. That's the last course, Ash. I always pray that my mom will heal. And I hope she can forgive me.
Huwag kang paghinaan ng loob. Ang mga malalalim na sugat, maggagamot ito ng pagmamahal. Darating ang araw na magkakaayos din kayo.